Hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 10 till the 16th of November. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Let's see what we guys have for you, Scorpio. So we have the Knight of Swords, the Four of Cups, the Nine of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Wands. This is like both of you are running away from the communication that you guys should do, that is leading to a lot of disappointment and confusion, and that is stressing the situation a little bit more than required. There are some emotions, there are certain things that you guys need to address in order to let go of these confusions and disappointments that you guys are facing in the situation. But instead of talking it out, instead of facing the truth and the reality of the situation, both of you are trying to just avoid the situation or run away from the situation, and you guys are stressed out because of things, certain things not working out the way you guys wanted them to work out. Mm. See, it's one of those cases where one of you is definitely interested in sorting it out with the other person and taking the accountability of the situation and understanding the situation on a deeper level and do something about it. But the other person is like, they are commitment phobic. Maybe they are one of those people who doesn't love to take the accountability. They don't like to take the accountability. They run away from their own feelings, and this is creating major disappointment and disagreements in the situation. And the one who is trying to sort it out, the one who is trying to make this work out, is kind of stressed out beyond words, because for them it's important, for this situation to, even if it is not going to work out for the long term, they want to sort it out properly. So the mutual energy here is of confusion and disappointment. The lesson for both of you for this week is the things that you cannot change or control. You should not focus on those things. You should focus on those that you can change and control from your side. Okay? Let me see the bottom of the deck. We have the Three of Wands. But both of you are not like kind of giving up on the situation. You guys are living in this hope that one day you guys will be able to figure it out. One day you guys will be able to find a solution to the problem that you guys are facing here in the situation. So it's like Three of Wands looking forward to have better future, better opportunity. Okay, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Scorpio. We have the Queen of Swords. This person is feeling emotionally distant from the situation. They feel like keeping themselves at a safe distance and be very practical about it. Instead of using their emotional side, they feel like using their practical side. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords here. We have the Four of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and Knight of Pentacles. This person is feeling like they should keep their emotions to themselves because nobody will be able to understand their point of view. They feel like setting themselves free from the situation, enjoying their freedom, enjoying their independence, and slowly but surely heading towards the goal of independence and freedom and singlehood. Even if not singlehood, like typically separating from you, they feel like focusing on themselves, their money, their job, their career, their long term stability in their individual life. Right now, they're not very much focused on this connection. And they feel like right now they should switch off their emotions and work on the practical side of life. Okay. Okay. Let's see what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio. The lovers, you feel very attracted, you feel very much in love with this person still, but you feel like having a choice, making a choice or a decision here, because you definitely feel that the other person here is distracted, they are no longer here. So that's why you feel like you should make a choice or a decision here. Okay, let me clarify this. There's love, there's attraction, there is pull from your side, but definitely there is a choice or decision also that you feel like making in this situation for good this time, because one-sided efforts or energies are not going to give you anything in return, and you also know that. Page of Pentacles, Page of Wands, Five of Swords, you feel like more than ready to start from the start, to start from the scratch, with emotional maturity, then keeping things light-hearted like friends. You feel like making friends with this person and starting from the start, but it's stressing the hell out of you because the other person is nowhere to be found. They are distracted, they are doing their own thing, they are not invested in this much in the situation, and that is kind of stressing the hell out of you. So you are the one who is basically trying to fix it, and they are the one who is running away, and this is creating a very stressful kind of energy for you, mainly because they are doing their own thing and they are not giving a shit to this situation as of now. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Hanged man. Their intention here is to see things from a different perspective and being in this chill pill mode. They just want to chill and relax, and they just want to surrender to the divine that whatever is supposed to happen will happen. So they don't want to they don't want to put any kind of efforts or energy from their side. They just want to be in this chilled mode, that chilled and relaxed mode, that whatever is supposed to happen is going to happen anyway, so why to worry about it this much? Okay, let's clarify the Hanged Man here. We have the Seven of Wands, Two of Cups, and the Chariot. You know, they just want to keep their heart as protected as possible from their side. They don't want to fall in love with you. They don't want to create this kind of energy where they will not be able to move on. So this person wants to keep themselves at a safe distance and surrender to the divine, that whatever is supposed to happen in this situation, if it is supposed to be a love relationship, it will. I don't know how, miraculously, magically. If this is supposed to be those one of those situations where you guys have to move on in your individual lives, then they are okay with that also. Their intention here is to do nothing about it, but they want to keep their heart protected, keep their heart and soul protected at any cost. They don't want to fall in the trap of love, fall in the trap of suffering again. So they are just in this energy of doing their own thing, moving forward in their life, whatever they feel like doing, and refraining from opening their heart to anything or anyone that can give them any kind of pain. Okay, so basically this person is shutting down their emotional side completely because they don't want to fall for anything or anyone and ruin their life, because right now they think this is good. Staying disconnected from heart is good. According to them, they are doing good in their life like this. Why to ruin it? Hmm. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Nine of Cups. You have a wish, you have a desire, and you want to get that fulfilled. You want this desire fulfillment, you want this wish fulfillment. Let me clarify what that is. What's happening, Scorpio? Somebody is cold as ice here, and you are trying your best to melt this ice, and it's not happening. We have the Queen of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Eight of Pentacles. You want this, you want to manifest this energy of making things work out, putting in the effort and energy in the situation, and you want to manifest this energy of this person lowering their guards down and letting you in their life, so that you guys can be on the same page and create some kind of beautiful relationship kind of dynamics, romantic relationship kind of dynamics. This is what you want. Just give me a second, I just want to have some water. So you want this to work out, you want to put in the effort and energy, and you want this person to let you in their life so that you can help them to believe in love again, to work on this situation with you beautifully so that you guys can create a beautiful, harmonious, soulmate kind of a relationship. Okay. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 16th of November, Scorpio. We have the Six of Pentacles. It's like there is going to be some kind of balance restored kind of a thing. Let's clarify this. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Justice, and the Five of Wands. There is going to be some kind of drama on and off, in and out, and then boom, you guys are going to feel like justice is served. Now this can go either way. Both of you can plan to separate your ways and go on with your life individually. If you guys are already married or living in the same house or committed to each other very seriously, then there are chances of you guys trying to restore the peace again and starting the situation from the start and having this equal give and take of energy. If there is distance between you guys, if you guys are not able to connect with each other uh, from a long time maybe, then there are high chances of you guys letting it go, having a fight, having some kind of uh, drama, having some kind of chaos, and then deciding that right now, for the time being, parting your ways is a good idea. And then it's going to give you both the sense of justice, sense of balance restored in this situation as well, and in your individual lives as well. But there is going to be the drama, there is going to be some kind of fight, chaos, or conflict or drama. And then after that, you guys are going to get the justice or balance restored, justice served kind of a thing. Okay. Okay. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Scorpio. Six of Wands. Right now, it's time for you to focus on your individual success, growth, happiness, your health, your wealth, your everything. Right now, you should be the center of attention of your whole world, Scorpio. Because there are certain things, like there are other things also in your life that are right now not balanced and they require your attention. That's why the whole universe is might be telling you to focus on yourself and other areas of your life, and once they are sorted, then you can focus on this one, because right now this one doesn't need a lot of effort and energy because the other person and you are not on the same page. So for the time being, focus on the things, situations, or you know energies that are going to bring you the peace and the harmony from inside. Once you are going to be at peace with yourself from inside, you can sort other things out naturally. Okay. It will be helpful for you. Hmm. I'm sorry about the health thing. It sucks. I can't do anything about it. I'm not giving up, but I'm tired of the health thing now. Not able to find the cards even. Right. Just give me a second, honey. Okay, so let me answer one of the questions related to your love and relationship area. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question 3 times in your mind space. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 seconds, and your time starts now, Scorpio. Okay, so the answer to your question is listen to your intuition. Let me read from the guidebook the proper meaning of this card. When you pull this listen to your intuition card, you already know the answer that you are looking for. It is calling for you to develop and nurture your intuition, what answers lie within. This is also one of the cards that might come up if you keep asking the same question over and over. So basically, you already know the answer from inside, and be honest with yourself. Listen to your intuition. Your intuition is you telling you the reality and the truth of the situation. Okay. So this is what I have for you, Scorpio. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.